Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market-leading ETFs for the coming session and week. This is for the week of January 12th, 2015. We've got no signals here on either side. As you can see, we're down on volume. It's been kind of the theme today that the volume was ahead of the non-farm number. So we can see a pickup in volume on the other side on Monday. We do have a fair amount of data coming out this week. Some pretty heavy numbers, so we could have some movement. As you can see here from the volume column, from our individual sectors, we're all pretty light. IYR has a contra candle to the downside, but no fancy volume associated with it. The only thing that's really showing any volume here is XHP. Moving on to commodities, the DVA, the broad-based agricultural, showing a lot of volume here. Fair amount of weakness, but nothing too spectacular. The GDX is very strong. Gold's improving and up about 12 handles right now. A little bit of dollar weakness finally, and that's just enough for the gold bugs to get to work. Foreign names, EWJ, the tracks Japan, is fairly weak and has some good volume. Everything else is just kind of bumping along here and just being traded by the robots essentially. As far as the specials go, and this doesn't happen a lot, there's no signals on either side. They're locked in right now. So that's kind of interesting in and of itself. A little bit of volume coming into the QLD and the QID as well. Trading some decent volume, but for the most part here, there's really not a lot to be learned from the specials here. Now remember, the specials are interesting in that when people need to put on risk or to take off risk or to hedge themselves, a lot of times the big portfolio managers will go to the specials because it doesn't conflict or change their holding patterns and times for their individual portfolios, and these are also leveraged. So you can take a little bit of capital and have an impact for your portfolio if you believe that we're on the cusp of a move. So that's why we track these, but we're not really seeing anything here today. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.